no! It's already 7:30 in the morning. We are late for our big trip today.
7:30? Our flight to Costa Rica is at 10 o'clock. We need to hurry right now.
David, wake up the children quickly. We have so many things to pack.
Mom, what time is it? Are we really going to the airport today? I am still sleepy. Can we sleep a little more before the trip?
No, my dear. We cannot be late for the airplane. Let's start packing now.
First, we need our passports and flight tickets. Where did I put them last night?
They are on the table in the living room. I kept them ready yesterday.
Mom, can I take my favorite doll with me on the airplane? And I want to take my toy cars and the little monkey toy too.
We need to pack clothes, swimsuits, hats, and some snacks for the journey.
Don't forget the chargers for our phones and the mosquito spray for Costa Rica.
Anna, please put your books and coloring pencils in the small bag.
Mom, I cannot find my red shoes. Where are they? I want to wear them.
Look under the bed, Peter. We have to finish packing very fast.
I have the passports, tickets, and important documents. Check everything once.
I am so excited to see the beaches, jungles, and volcanoes in Costa Rica.
Yes, we will see many animals, like monkeys, sloths, and colorful birds.
Will we see real airplanes at the airport? Can I watch them take off?
Of course, you will see many big planes. Now let's call a taxi quickly. Hello, we need a taxi to Terminal 3 at the airport as soon as possible.
The traffic looks very heavy today. I hope we reach on time.
Mom, what will we see first when we reach Costa Rica?
We will see green jungles, beautiful beaches, and tall volcanoes.
Will there be monkeys in the trees? I really want to see them. We'll have to see, sweetie.
Yes, and sloths too. They move very slowly in the jungle.
How slowly?
Remember to use mosquito spray because there are many mosquitoes there.
We will. I am a little nervous about my first airplane ride. Is it scary?
It's an adventure, sweetheart. We'll be right there with you.
It will be amazing, honey.
It is fun. You will feel like you are flying in the sky like a bird.
Wow. Okay, Dad. He's right, sweetie. It's amazing.
Look, we can already see the airport building from far away. Isn't it big?
Finally, we have reached the airport. Everyone take your own bags.
Stay close to us, children. The airport is very big and crowded.
Wow. There are so many people and so many big airplanes outside. Mom, look at that huge plane. Oh, wow. It's so big. I want to go on it.
Now we need to go to the check-in counter for our flight. Good morning.
We are flying to San Jose, Costa Rica today.
Wonderful. Let me check you in. Hello. May I see your passports and tickets, please?
Yes, here you go.
Here are our passports and the flight tickets for 4 people.
Your luggage is okay. Here are your boarding passes. Gate number 22.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
When does the boarding start?
Now we have to go through security check. Follow me carefully.
Why do we need to take off our shoes at security?
For safety. They check everything very carefully before the flight.
Can I keep my toy car in my pocket during the check?
No, Peter. Put all metal things and toys in the tray.
Good job, everyone! We have passed the security check successfully.
I am feeling hungry now. Can we buy some snacks?
Yes, let's get some coffee, sandwiches, and fries for everyone.
Anna, you have a window seat. You can see the clouds from there.
Really? I want to see if the clouds look like cotton candy.